What's going on, YouTube? It's time for the trial decks. We do have 2 of them. Long story short, we do have to open up at least 8 of them, I think. Oh, what is this? We got random. That's very, very random. It might be to stop like the actual boxes from popping, maybe I'm going with. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Alright. First TD up. Let's see what we got. Nice. Castillo. Alright. First one, we're just gonna not blaze right through, then after a while we will start blazing right through. I think I need 1, 2, 3, 8 of them for sure, because the rest are just going to be in place. Yeah, 8 of them is going to be playsets. Everything else is going to be probably just sold. So open playset. A God's Roll. We got Lily. We got Eins. We got Wealthman. Eins again. Lily. Hestia. That's from the opening scene. People love Hestia, I'm telling you. Hestia is definitely one of the top girls out there. The waifu platform. Alright. Oh, I think they used this already. But it's Goddess Hestia, so we want the Goddess Hestia. Got the Bell, God's Roll, Shy Maiden. So these are going to be your triple rares, I think. Shy Maiden, we have the Eins, we have the Hestia, we have the Bell. These 2 will be the SPs. The Goddess Hestia. Yeah, you want the Goddess Hestia. Okay, we want the Goddess Hestia. Long story short, let's go. Alright, here we go. Goddess Hestia time. Roll, roll, roll. Alright, let's see what we got. Nope. Nope. Nothing. 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 Alright. Well, this one has quite a few of them, don't they? Alright. Not bad. Next. Alright. I do want the Goddess Hestia. I like it that it says Goddess Hestia. That's the reason why. Alright. Goddess Hestia. What does Eins say? Does it say First Class Adventure Eins? Okay. Nope. Now, there are sometimes you can get a triple rare with an SP, so keep that in mind as well. Okay. Oh, we got a triple rare. There we go. That's your triple rare. That was weird. That was all the way in the back. Okay, we did get the triple rare, so this goes here. We got triple rare. Again, we could get something big. We can get something big. Alright, let's see. Ooh, there we go. Goddess Hestia's here. Ooh. Oh, this is the contract. Ooh, Goddess Hestia is here. See, and this is why you open up everything. Goddess Hestia is here. Beautiful Goddess Hestia. Look at that. Goddess. Where's the other one? Do I have the other one? We have multi-Hestias. Boom! Goddess Hestia and Proof of Trust Hestia. At least the signs are a little bit different. They're a little bit different. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, now, you know what's crazy? I still haven't pulled an Eins. Okay, so 100% this is already dead though. So this is 100% dead. So, yeah, see, these will always be dead. So this is going right here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Okay, so this one only had 4 of these little thingy-majiggies. Pretty new, pretty new. Alright, here we go, here we go. Hunting, hunting, hunting. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, I can't believe we got the Hestia. I'm happy. I'm happy. Alright, here we go. Hestia? No. Hestia? Nope. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing, nothing. Alright, we got nothing. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Is it always going to be like the last one, I think? It might be just that last one. Okay, that's right there. 2, 4, 6. 6. Alright, 2 more. Here we go. Alright. Oh, you got the Hestia. Alright, Hestia, Hestia, Hestia. Okay, we got the Hestia. This is the Hestia one, so we'll just put that over here. Nothing. Now I need an Eins. Golly, people just don't like me to have Eins, huh? Okay, that's gonna go here. 1 more. Now, maybe I'm just gonna give these guys like 2 open trial decks, because that'll be 4. Nothing, 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 nothing. Alright. Alright, that's that. And we got one more, just like this, just to be done with it. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Nothing. Nothing. Alright, this is a blank one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we did get the Hestia. And we got, not that Hestia, this Hestia. And we got this Bell. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hit that like button, subscribe, make a comment. But this is what we got out of 2 trial decks. We are missing Eins. 100% we are missing Eins. Alright, y'all, take care.